Hi, my name is Ally Keegan, and I am a criminal defense attorney at the law office of David Shapiro in San Diego, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. We are actually going to take a very quick detour away from criminal defense today to address a question that we've been getting a lot in the wake of the death of Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And that question, in essence, is what kind of process will any future nominees have to undergo in order to fill that vacancy? The process is historically pretty long. It normally takes a few months start to finish, but the process itself is also pretty simple. It's not that many steps that the nominee will need to undergo. The first step is obviously that the president will get together a short list of names that he or she is considering for the Supreme Court. Here we know that President Trump has already named Amy Coney Barrett as his nominee, so that step is over. We know what to expect there, and now we're on to the next. From there, she has undergone and will continue to undergo very extensive vetting. She will undergo a background check by the FBI, as well as very long questionnaires, including the names and outcomes of pretty much every case she has ever touched, any of her old rulings and opinions while she's been on the bench as a judge, and it will help people understand where she leans politically, what kind of positions she takes legally, and how she might decide future cases based on her history. She'll also meet with senators. It's glorified speed dating, more or less, where they will have that face-to-face time. Now, the one-on-one time might be virtual with COVID, but senators will get to know her better as an individual and get a sense of how comfortable they might be down the road casting a vote for her. And after that, it heads to the Senate Judiciary Committee for confirmation hearings. Sometimes confirmation hearings are very boring, but they also occasionally are incredibly contentious, as we've seen with Justice Kavanaugh's confirmation hearings after the accusations levied by Christine Blasey Ford. We saw it with the Anita Hill testimony in Justice Thomas's confirmation hearings. So you never really know what to expect, what kind of information will come out, what kind of witnesses there might be, and that's where you really get the meat of the public version of the vetting and determining what kind of Supreme Court justice might this person ultimately be. After that, it heads to the full Senate for a vote. It used to require more votes, but now it's just a simple majority. So 51 votes in the Senate. If there is a tie, then the vice president serves as a tiebreaker. It's kind of a no-brainer that based on being the president's vice president, they will confirm the nominee, and from there we have our new Supreme Court justice. So if you have any other questions about the process, and obviously any questions about criminal defense in San Diego, by all means give us a call. Our number is 619-295-3555.